ease of doing business, from the tallest leader of our country to a very common man. Everybody is talking about ease of doing business. We want to improve our ranking. It will create many companies. It will bring more investment. It will create many jobs. It will bring prosperity to all of us. Hello everyone, myself Shailendra, and today I will explain how blockchain can help India to skyrocket ranking in ease of doing business. Well, India is doing great in ease of doing business. There are many infrastructure developments going on. But infrastructure takes a lot of time and money. I mean thousands of crores. If we can improve the soft infrastructure with the help of blockchain, we can grow a lot in ease of doing business. Software infrastructure costs very less than your road and building and take much less time. Let me tell you why we are lagging in process improvement and how it can be improved in few months with blockchain and with very less investment. Let me tell you one of my very personal experience. You know the first thing you require to do the business? A very good business idea, a registered company, a bank account, credit and all the permits. So when I registered the company, the next thing I needed is a company bank account. Then only I can avail some of the credit or loans depending on my credit limit. As soon as I registered the company, I got to visit from few banks for opening bank account. I said this is great. I was very happy for the proactive services of the bank. I choose one of the bank and very next day bank dropped me a mail. Hey man, you need to submit below documents. Company registration document, company MOA, AOA, PAN card, ROC receipt, my Aadhaar card and few more. Please keep the signed copy ready. We will send the executive to correct the document. I said, yeah, I am not taking a loan. I want to open a bank account. I have just submitted all the documents to the government. Why you need everything again? I am not taking your money. Anyways, it took 3 to 4 days to have my company bank account and they said they had to verify everything. It was a very simple process. Still it took 3 to 4 days to have my company account. It consumed my time. I had to wait for few days to apply for credit just because of the bank account. Now take a pause and just imagine. As soon as I open a new company, the state government can send me a notification. Hey, congrats, we have opened a new company. This is the list of banks around your office. Tell me where we should send the document so that your account will be open immediately. Again, I am repeating. As soon as I open a new company, the state government can send all the documents to the bank. Wow, I can never imagine such service. But if it becomes true, we'll be on the 7th cloud. But we have some process and rules due to which this is not happening. The first problem, bank have RBI compliances. They need to have records of KYC. The second problem, the bank will say why we should believe in the data of state government. They can modify it or it could be hacked. Third problem, bank will say they need signed copy. I don't know why, but they still need it. The fourth problem, state government will say we have too much of work. We can't invest this much of time for new companies. Well, blockchain can resolve all the problems. Let's see how. The solution of first problem is simple. Blockchain is public. Record can be kept with bank as well as the government and with all the parties and no one can modify it. The second problem, bank don't have to believe in this data of state government. They have to believe in the blockchain. The basic definition of blockchain says that data can never be modified. It doesn't matter if it's stored in your computer. You still cannot hack it, thanks to military grade algorithm and linking of blocks in the blockchain. The third problem, the bank needs a signed copy. Blockchain has a feature of private key and public key. They can sign and approve the records in their mobile, just like we send Bitcoin and receive Bitcoin. Fourth thing is, state government doesn't have resources and time. Well, blockchain has a feature called a smart contract. As soon as company is registered, smart contract will start its work and will continue to work until the account is open and the permits are sanctioned. Yes, blockchain smart contracts are so powerful. If this one thing is implemented, it will save lot of time. It will transform the way companies are registered and permits are sanctioned. This was just one of the areas of credit I am talking about. There are hundreds such things which can be automated using blockchain while maintaining trust. I don't know whether you understood this or not, but it's true. Government can give proactive services to the new entrepreneurs, decrease the time required to open a company and get the credit. There are many other benefits. Please make a note that to implement such things, orders have to come from a very high authority. For that, we need to take this video to them. So please share it so that it reaches the right authority. One more thing, we have identified 10 such processes which can improve the ease of doing business in no time. We'll be creating videos on them in very next few days. So please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon.